This is a rainproof film for your rear view mirrors.
Hi, I'm Daddy Kicks and welcome to my YouTube channel.
At the back, there's the structural diagram, the feature and installation. So let's check the installation instructions. So first, you have to clean the dust on the screen, find the number 1 label layer, tear off the number 1 layer, install the film on the screen, tear off the number 2 label layer, and remove the bubbles. So we'll check this one out later. Diagram, protective film, base layer, PET material, HD, and the micro nano coating. For feature, it's the high definition nano coating protective film, anti-water mist, rainproof, keep your rear view mirror clean at all times, and anti-fog rainproof rear view mirror window clear protective film, keep you away from injury. So let's check what is inside. Yeah. Okay, so we have 2 pieces of the microfilm mirrors. So one for the left and one for the right. So again, there's the number. Yeah. So like the instructions earlier, so there's the number 1 that we're going to remove and the number 2. So let's put it. So following the instructions, clean first the mirror. Instructions, find number 1 layer. So number 1 and tear off the layer. So we'll remove number 1, tear off the layer. Actually, you shouldn't be touching the inner layer. Alright, so number 1 is removed and install the film. They said install the film. Okay, and then next we'll be removing number 2. And that's it. Then be sure to remove the bubbles. That's the last part. So just push. So you can see there are small bubbles. Hopefully you can see in the video. We'll just try to remove this one. And that is how you install a rainproof film. I hope you like the video, guys. Kindly share this video to your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe in my channel and hit the notification button. So until next time, see you.
If you like this video, hit the like button, share it with your fellow bosses, and be sure to subscribe.